Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Sohail and today I want to talk about the Ultimate Oscillator, which is an excellent tool for evaluating the momentum. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, here we go. We have the Ultimate Oscillator here below the chart. As you can see, it's an unbound oscillator which is fluctuating above and below the 50 level. This indicator was developed by Larry Williams in 1976, and the unique point about this momentum oscillator is that it evaluates momentum in 3 different time frames. If you have noticed, other momentum oscillators increase sharply at the beginning of strong advances, and then when the advance is continuing its direction, the oscillator remains overbought or it just shows false bearish divergences. The reason is that they only take one time frame into account and they don't pay attention to longer time frames in their calculation. But the Ultimate Oscillator tries to solve this problem by using also longer time frames. The Ultimate Oscillator uses 3 time frames for measuring the momentum. The second time frame is double of the first and the third time frame is double of the second. The formula and calculation of the Ultimate Oscillator is a little complex and I don't intend to get into the calculations in this video because in practice you don't need it and you must learn how to interpret it and use it for trading. Anyway, if you're curious on how it's calculated or you need the formula and calculations for any reason, just simply search in the Google and you'll find it in many websites. Alright, now let's see how we use this indicator for trading. The trading signal that we get from this oscillator is based on divergences, a divergence between the indicator and the price, but not only a divergence, and some other criteria must met. A bullish divergence forms when the price makes lower low, but the Ultimate Oscillator makes higher low, and this shows less downside momentum and increasing of upside momentum. The low of the bullish divergence, I mean the first low here in the Ultimate Oscillator during the divergence, must be below 30. This shows oversold condition for the price, in fact a relatively extreme low level for the price. And then when the oscillator advances and rises above the bullish divergence high, the high that the Ultimate Oscillator created here during the divergence, it's a buy signal or it's a signal for opening a long position. Aggressive traders who want to take more risk and enter earlier may decide to enter a trade when the Ultimate Oscillator crosses above 50. But the safer option to minimize the risk is to wait until the oscillator crosses above the divergence high. And bearish divergence forms when the price makes higher high but the Ultimate Oscillator makes lower high, and this shows less upside momentum and increasing of downside momentum. The high of the bearish divergence, I mean the first high here in the Ultimate Oscillator during the divergence, must be above 70. This shows overbought condition for the price, in fact a relatively extreme high level for the price. And then when the oscillator declines and falls below the bearish divergence low, the low that the Ultimate Oscillator created here during the divergence, it's a sell signal or it's a signal for opening a short position. The Ultimate Oscillator can be used on any time frame, intraday, daily, weekly or monthly, and the default parameters, which are 7, 14 and 28, usually work well, but sometimes based on the volatility of the asset or the market that you trade, you may need to adjust the settings. For example, for low volatility assets like some stocks, with the default settings, the oscillator may not generate overbought or oversold readings, so you need to increase the sensitivity with shorter time period. And for volatile market like crypto, you may need to decrease the sensitivity with higher time period to reduce the number of signals. And please pay attention that you should never take your trading decisions only based on this indicator, and you must use it in conjunction with other tools and concepts of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.